Snake is 29 here. You know the most thing I hate about the most is Asian parties. Asian parties can get really loud. They turn the music up. They listen to weird Asian music and they get drunk. This is how an Asian party goes. They come in, they eat, they grab a couple of beer, grab a couple of something, and then they do this. My sister is an idiot, man. Whoa. My sister is an idiot, man. My sister can't be an idiot. Wait, what? Oh, hold on. I messed up on this one. Okay. Start to go like this. Hey. Hi. What? Clean the toilet? Just kidding. Just kidding. Why don't you say hi to my son? Son, why don't you say hi to him? Say hi to your uncle. Sayonara! Hi. Nice! Hi. That's good. Alright. Hey. Kim Jong, you know Kim Jong-il just released his new album. Yeah, I know. I'm not an idiot. Yeah, he made a new. You wanna hear? What? I'm in the wrong place. Yeah, you wanna hear? No, I'm good. How about you, Hitler? I chop you. Hit the music. Music. Wait, what the? Hit the music. Oh. Touch the rice, touch the rice, touch the rice, touch the rice, touch the rice. That's a terrible song. No, it's not. What? Miss something? Man, what the? I'm gonna stab you! Oh. So that's the reason why. Did y'all enjoy the movie? Yes, you did. I was hiding down there. I was scared. That's the reason why I hate Asian parties.